Hello and welcome to the channel. If you're new here, I'm a mom as well as a full-time blogger and a herbalist. I make short and condensed videos in regards to a holistic approach to health, lifestyle, meal planning, beauty and so forth. So today I'll be doing the opening of the Bellabox. So the Bellabox is a beauty monthly subscription box that comes in a beautiful blue reusable bag. Everything is reusable in terms of the packaging, and what they do is they give out different samples of beauty products, oils, creams, so forth for you to try. Back when I started these, they do cost around $10 each month, but I got the first month free as part of a promotion. So the first product is a oil, and this is the size of the sample that comes in. So this oil is the Perfecting Facial Oil, and it's from one of the best brands I've used. I do use their products on a regular basis, and I find that their prices are quite cheap. Another product is the hair product by John Frieda. To be honest, I didn't come around to using this product just because I don't tend to use a lot of hair products on my hair, and I try to use all homemade natural masks as much as possible, but I did appreciate that sample and I'll be gifting it to a friend. So it comes in this size. As you can see, it is quite a reasonable size for a trial, and I've heard quite good reviews on that. So if you want, I will link the product in the description below for you to have a look if you're interested in using it, and you'll go from there. So it comes in a spray bottle. I do apologize on the camera quality. I did record this back in 2016 on using my phone, so I was quite hesitant to put it out there, but I'm like, yeah, why not? Hopefully you'll get something out of this video. So the next product coming in is one of the best in this whole box. It is a activated charcoal face mask. So I actually bought this product with me when coming to Finland, and it's absolutely divine. It's a face mask made from activated charcoal, and it has that kind of texture to it where it's like a face mask and a scrub, and it's really nice. It's really moisturizing and cleansing, and I find that the activated charcoal really helps pull out the toxins and pull out all the dirt and residue on the face. So yeah, that flew right out. But yeah, it actually lasted quite a long time. So me and my husband use that, and he's got oily skin and I've got dry, but I find that it works perfectly for all skin types. So this is the color that you're looking for, as well as the texture. So it is quite fine, not too liquidy and not too thick, so it is spreadable, and it's one of the best activated charcoal face masks that I've used because, as I told you, it has that scrub texture to it. They also do provide makeup. I'm not a big fan of makeup. I tend to put very light makeup on, so I do tend to avoid using heavy makeup, especially with foundation, and I tend to opt for a more natural look, as well as using mineral makeup whenever possible if I need any sort of coverage. So this lipstick actually was nice. It is a bit too bright for my liking, but as soon as you subscribe to the box, they do give you a questionnaire to fill in to see what is your interest and what colors you're interested in, as well as what is your skin type and all that. So they make sure that they send you a package that is as customizable as possible based on your health as well as your beauty requirements. So this is the card that comes with it, along with the names and the short description of all the products included. I did subscribe for about 2 months and then I stopped, so I'll be making the second box. So apart from the trial products that they do send, you also can get coupons, promotions for different sorts of things based on your interests. So this is a promotion for a yoga class, and they also have the ingredients card just to make sure that you are using the best ingredients for your skin and you're not allergic to anything else. These two samples also came in, and now they're beneath the package, so I had to lift up the papers, but yeah, they're just one-time use and they're quite good. Really good at clean ingredients, really clean, and they have a card about the company and the description here. So overall, I really like the packaging. I really liked how it comes in like a mystery. You don't know what's going to come each month. And they do give you the option to ask you about what sort of skin type you are, what are you aiming for in terms of your beauty goals and skincare goals. I don't use all the products that they send me. As you can tell, I've only used literally just the face masks individually wrapped, as well as the facial oil. And yes, I did use the activated charcoal, so that's a third one. But the other ones that I don't use, I usually gift to friends and family. Overall, to be honest, I don't recommend the Bellabox, but it is a nice way just for a short while if you're really interested in getting all sorts of different beauty creams and oils and such, to give it a try. So let me know if it's something that you are interested in, these types of videos, and I hope you subscribe to the channel and would love to have you on board. Take care, bye bye.